We are pleased to show you the 2016 BMW 7 Series. The BMW 7 Series is the BMW 4Runner. This full-size sedan has always represented the top of luxury and technology. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, universal garage door opener. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
To be eligible for the Certified Pre-Owned Vehicle Program, a BMW must pass a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians. Stop into your local BMW dealer today and ask to see the BMW Certified Pre-Owned Inspection Checklist. It is your assurance that pre-owned BMW you are purchasing retains the quality, reliability, and overall pleasure that BMW owners have come to expect.